Okay, hello. Going to talk about some stuff with Spaghetti today. So Spaghetti is a DAL-driven package set for a PSC package. So the difference being that normally with PSC package, you have this giant JSON blob and you might edit it and deal with a bunch of weird version conflicts and whatever, or diffs and whatever when you try to rebase. With Spaghetti, you can just fork this repo and everything is in actual source files. So there's some very basic type checking about what the source file is going to contain. And there's some functions on how like these packages are defined. And you right merge a bunch of separate definitions of these packages. So by organization. So let's look at like slime data. And slime data is going to have like AF and a whole bunch of other things, but you know, they're all actually just contained in here. And if you need to, in your own fork, you can remove some of these if you want. So I've written a bunch of documentation about this, but you know, who even reads documentation? I'm going to demonstrate how you can add something. So I'm pretty sure this fbus thing I don't have yet in my package set. So if I just look over here, I'm going to find out I don't have it yet. So I can easily add this with a bunch of scripts I have. Like one script I have is like add from Bower. So I'm going to say add from Bower, add bus. And it's going to fetch the information from Bower and then put that into my DAL file. So if I look at the diff, it's going to have that added there. Now I can run like make setup, which is going to do the generation of the files. So let's just go look at setup real fast. So we're going to find that setup creates a package set file and shoves it into the testing set. And then with that testing set, we can actually do all the validation that we want. So let's run make setup and it's going to put that in there. And we can even like SHA-SUM the package set that is created. So if we go look at here, package.json, the SHA-SUM is coming out to that, and then we're going to look at this, and SHA-SUM comes out to that. So yeah, literally the same file. So then we're going to use PSC package verify. Yeah, I should note that pp is an alias for PSC package. So pp verify fbus, and then it's going to install the stuff that it needs and do all the normal PSC package stuff. And we're going to see that this is an outdated package, so you know we can't actually add this to our package set. But this is the general idea that you should understand, that like when you have to fork this repo, it actually isn't very much work, and like the main things that you're going to need are just aliases for you to be able to update off of branches. So one update I have is called a G upstream, and this fetches whatever is called whatever remote is called upstream's master, and use that to rebase and do rebase on the fetch head. And I actually use this for work where I have a fork of Spaghetti that I use, and well, my work repo has a few commits on top of the normal Spaghetti set. So whenever I rebase, it's actually like pretty much automatically resolved. But you know, if you don't like Git, maybe you should be using darks.